Does your sunroof sound like this? And you want to make it sound like this? Then stay tuned. So my sunroof had been really creaky and groany and awful, and as you can see here, the track was full of crap. So in order to get rid of the creak, I had to address these other issues. So for one, every time I go through a car wash or it rained, water would pour in through the center top console, and when I would open my sunroof, it creaked and groaned and just sounded awful. So I had to clean all this dirt out. So in order to make this clean, I used some brake clean, a rag, and this hook from the spring that I took off the wind deflector. Now my wind deflector ripped off as I was removing the springs so I could get some better access. It was super brittle and rough, and as you can see, it pulls right off. So with the springs, I just used the little hook end to get in between all the rubber pieces, and a ton of like hard grease came out. Now I think they use this grease to seal it and try and help lubricate the track, but I think it just made it worse because once I sprayed some silicone lubricant on, the tracks are silent. So if you have grease in there, I would recommend getting that out. And the water also isn't seeping through. So I don't know what was going on, but those cavities there were plugged and would not let the water drain down into the tubes. So with everything cleared out, it works super well. So this is the lubricant spray I was talking about. It's just 3-in-1 silicone lubricant. It dries when you apply it so that it won't attract dirt or dust or grease. And it's been 3 weeks since I've done this. I've gone through lots of car washes. We've had some really heavy rain. And the track is still silent and the car is not getting water in it. So I do believe I fixed my problem. Make sure if you do this that when you clear your drains out, there's some spider traps under the wipers. Apparently you can just take those off. Now you might have some spiders crawl up there, so you're going to want your drain cleaning tool. But all in all, this has saved my world. So give your tracks a clean, put some silicone lube on, and travel silently. See you next week.